Morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It is my common character. I don't know the type of time any one of you is using here. I know time is a relative thing. You either go lunar time, or you go solar time, or other customary times of the world. So if I just say morning, I'm also referring to solar time. That's why I just give this. Anyway you are doing, take it. Well, to start with, the objective or the goal on our objectives of here is to build partnership and friendship between the intergovernmental organizations. Looking at the Constitution and other statutory laws pertaining to recruitment or employment in Nigeria, Federal Character Commission is key. It's fibered, because they are the only one the federal government assigned to look into the equity, not even equality, of people to be recruited in the federal services and other agencies. We, as members of police service commissions, we feel there is a need to come and appeal and solicit or beg for your partnership and cooperation in doing this national assignment. Because going by the act establishing the Commission, Federal Character Commission, there are certain things to look for. Gender issue has to be considered. Local governments, states, and geopolitical has to be considered. And to make it more equitable, not equality, if within the local government or state or geo, certain things are not being paid, the numbers can be shared within that geopolitical something. I think it's more of equity than equality. I always tell people, when you say equality, equality is injustice, linguistically, and when it's something, but equity is something. Because hefty people, Muslim people, give them the same equal clause, then that's element of injustice when you treat equal. But equity to read the way things are. So that's our own something to come here and plead to give us. All we know here, Federal Character Commission, the only unique, I don't know if there's any commission in this country. Our own Police Service Commission, maximum of 9 members, minimum of 7. But I think only Federal Character Commission get about 36 states and Abuja. And this. So what we are pleading, whenever we have recruitment exercise, each and every member here came from one state or the other. So we want that member to go and represent his state to see if there is anything wrong, he can defend for his state. Even if the members are not there, the management staff, they can be sent to different respective states in this country, including Abuja, to represent, to do the mandate of the commission. So for this, when they go, they have different here. As Police Service Commission, the key stakeholders in issue of recruitment, the Ministry of Police Affairs, the Federal Character Commission, the Nigerian Police, and the Commission. So when they go, they sit down and represent this country, and the job to do it with accountability, transparency, fairness, and equity. I'm warning here so people to know the commission change, Police Service Commission change. You are involved in selling any slot anyhow, believe me, we will arrest you and charge you to court. We investigate the source. So I'm also telling here, you are the Federal Character Commission. You have to behave as a member of the Federal Character Commission. If you involve yourself in selling slot, believe me, we will trace you and deal with you. So now, to be for one is to be for what? Out. One renowned writer in corporate governance, Professor Bob Grat, in his book, The Fish Rod from the Head. You click it, it's there. You can download. The Fish Rod from the Head, written by Prof. Bob Grat. It's a known professor in UK when it comes to corporate governance. It's the metaphorical things. Head is not, because the head get eyes, nose, mouth, tongue. So you see, the head carries almost metaphorically. Leadership is not easy. We are given a task and we have to do it. What have been going along all, selling something stopped. We need some practicality. And we invite media to come and see what we are doing. We've done something. So we warn our people, and here we have to advise to work to know our stand now. You do it, you take your baby. Well, in today's world, nothing is hidden, especially if you have this iPhone type of something. You click one book written by one lady pertaining this ICT. Privacy is power. You click it, it's there. Read the cover. Privacy is power. With this now, wherever you go, everything can, what you think today with this can expose you. So please, my distinguished son, Chairman, we are here to assist us to do this recruitment given to us. You have a role to play. If we go wrong, we have to draw our something. Give us statistic, either in pie chart, in linear graph chart, in histogram chart, in bar chart, the distribution of each local government, of each state and Abuja and Geo, compare and contrast. If there is any lopsided, then you can call us. Why it is that we have to explain to you. We are ready for that because we want transparency and accountability. So that's what brought us here, and we want each and everyone to cooperate with us. The key stakeholders in recruitment or employment issue, you are the key also in this. The one for police, I mentioned in Ministry of Police Affairs, Federal Character Commission, the Nigerian Police, and the Police Service Commission. So we have to put head and do it and expose the bad eggs among us. So it is time now. I'm happy. The person now piloting the affairs is already served. And also have been practicing outside the country. Our member, Commissioner 1, retired Justice of Supreme Court. Count the time he was called to the bar, he joined judiciary after he reached Supreme Court and retired then to know that something. I read the act, I read something. Wherever there is discretion, there is room for corruption. So there's nothing, I'm saying to you now, go and change your mind, nothing like waiver, or nothing like replacement. In line with the international law, where we drive our own human recruitment and promotions based on vacancies, if there is, if no something. So you can't come and tell me you are taking application under the table, you keep, you only inform your brothers and sisters. You need to inform the whole general of Nigeria. It's corruption. I'm saying it to you. So you have to be, that's why I'm the owners here, I'm their house here. There's nothing like, if there is waiver, let them tell us. If there is issue of replacement, let them tell us. I know there is. You have to publish on the national daily at least 2, or online, and follow the normal processes. Nothing like waiver and replacement is corruption. So we will not take it. I say deliberately, they have been pushing me, I say no. But now I'm in the owners of the house here. If there is waiver, when you respond, tell us there is waiver. If there is issue of replacement, tell us. So if no, don't bring it to me. You bring it to me, wallah, I will pray. I'm telling you. Leadership is leadership, isn't it?
Who is also here in his capacity as Commissioner 1. My speech, sir. Just to respond very briefly to the issue of the waiver. It is not the Federal Character Commission that asks you to do the waivers. You come to us with waivers. So if you don't come to us, we will not give it to you. So since you say you are not doing it, you will not have it. So it's discretionary, as you have said. So it's not for us here to decide what you want to do in the commission, in the Police Service Commission. If your commission decides that what you have to do in the best interest of the country is to advertise so that everybody can have access to it, be informed, so be it, we would cooperate with you. And whatever thing you want us to do, we will do. Thank you very much on that. It is with great pleasure and a deep sense of responsibility that I welcome you to our office, that is the Federal Character Commission. On behalf of the management and staff of the Federal Character Commission, I extend our warmest greetings and appreciation for this timely and important visit. This meeting is not only a demonstration of interagency cooperation, as we have said, sir, but also a testament to our shared commitment to the ideals of fairness, justice, equity, and national cohesion as enshrined in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. By working together to ensure fairness and balanced representation in law enforcement institutions, we are laying the foundation for a stronger sense of belonging, trust in public institutions, and sustainable peace across the country. A diverse and inclusive police force is better positioned to build public confidence, deter insecurity, and serve all citizens without bias, thereby reinforcing the pillars of the renewed hope agenda of the President. The Police Service Commission, as the institution responsible for appointments, promotions, and disciplinary control in the Nigerian police force, plays a crucial role in the administration of justice and the security architecture of our nation. The responsibilities intersect significantly with the constitutional mandate of the Federal Character Commission, particularly in the area of equitable distribution, representation, and inclusiveness in the composition and operation of the police force. As you are aware, sir, Section 14(3) of the 1999 Constitution charges all organs of government, including security agencies like yours or the armed forces of Nigeria, to reflect the federal character of Nigeria in their composition, so as to promote national unity and give every section of the country a sense of belonging. Permit me to emphasize that the mandate of the Federal Character Commission extends beyond ministries, departments, and agencies of government. It also includes non-governmental entities and private enterprises where public interest, equity, and national diversity are at stake. This broad mandate underscores our collective responsibility both in the public and private sectors to ensure that opportunities, appointments, and representations reflect the plural nature of our country. No sector, whether private or public, is exempt from the duty to uphold fairness and foster unity through equal opportunities for all citizens. Your visit here today, sir, therefore represents a valuable opportunity for us to deepen collaboration, share ideas, and harmonize our efforts towards achieving the common goal of building a more inclusive, equitable, and secure Nigeria. We are particularly interested in how the principles of federal character can be more effectively integrated into the recruitment, training, and promotion of police officers. And I've just said it now, yes, because the issue of not having waiver is to ensure transparency and accountability in the process of the recruitment. So I thank you very much for that. A Nigerian police force that truly reflects the diversity of our great country is not only a constitutional mandate, but a practical strategy to ensuring peace, security, and social harmony. When communities see themselves represented in the security agencies that serve them, trust is built, cooperation is enhanced, and a sense of national ownership is reinforced. Such a police force is more likely to maintain law and order effectively, engage communities with cultural sensitivity, and reduce civil resistance, including marginalization and agitation that often arise from feelings of exclusion or domination. Diversity in police force fosters legitimacy, strengthens preventive mechanisms, and promotes national security. The Federal Character Commission is therefore open to forging strategic partnerships that will help institutionalize equity without compromising merit. We believe that through robust engagement like this, we can design frameworks and joint action plans that support compliance, transparency, and capacity building, especially in sensitive areas such as law enforcement and even armed forces of Nigeria. As we welcome you here today, I want to reaffirm our commitment and readiness to work closely with the Police Service Commission in monitoring and ensuring federal character compliances in the Nigerian police force. We are confident that this partnership will serve the best interests of our people and contribute to a safer and more secured, united Nigeria. In closing, let me commend your leadership and members of your service, of your commission, for the vital work you are doing and your commitment to serve and your integrity. Together, let us continue to build institutions that reflect the diversity of our great country and uphold the ideas of rights, equity, and justice.